What is going on, Ape Nation? So I found this badass clip that I've seen a while ago, and I've been trying to find it to show you guys for the longest time. And I finally ran across it. It's extremely short. This video is going to be extremely short, but I think you're really going to enjoy this clip. It's Trump calling out Ken Griffin. I'm going to let you watch it for yourself. If you've already seen it, no need to comment anything stupid in the comments below like some people usually do. But if you haven't seen it, please just enjoy it, and we're going to get right into it. But before we do, please make sure you smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And of course, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I drop a video, because I drop content just like this every single day.
Ken Griffin, Citadel, what a guy he is. Where are you, Ken? Where the hell is he? He's trying to hide some of his money. Look, he doesn't want to stand up. Where the hell is Ken? See, Steve, you'll stand, and he's very quiet about it. He's in here someplace. He just doesn't want to stand.
And of course, in case you're wondering what that was all about, it's because you see Ken Griffin donates to a lot of different politicians. He donates to a lot of campaigns. And I'm sure that you already knew that because we've talked about that on my channel many, many times. But he didn't support President Trump, and he didn't donate money to Trump, which is why Trump was a little ticked off and started calling him out during this speech or meeting or whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.